In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install NetMirror app on PC or laptop. We will keep things simple and clear, and by the end, you will have NetMirror running on your Windows computer using an Android emulator called BlueStacks. First, open any web browser you are comfortable with and search for bluestacks.com. This is the official website for BlueStacks, which lets your PC run Android apps. On the BlueStacks site, look for the download option and grab the latest installer for Windows. Stick to the official site to avoid outdated or modified installers. When the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and locate the .exe file you just saved. Double-click it to launch the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. It may ask for permission to make changes to your device. Go ahead and allow it. The setup will install necessary files and create a desktop shortcut. This can take a few minutes depending on your system. Once BlueStacks is installed, launch it. On first run, you'll be prompted to complete the Google sign-in process to access the Google Play Store. This is standard for Android devices and emulators. Sign in with your Google account to finish setup. If you don't want to download anything from the Play Store right now, that's fine. The sign-in simply enables Android services within BlueStacks. Next, open your browser again and search for NetMirrors.org. This is where you will get the NetMirror Android installer file, also known as an APK. On the site, click the option that says Download NetMirror APK. Then confirm by selecting Download NetMirror Android APK. Your browser will begin downloading the APK file. If you see a warning because it's an app file, choose to keep or allow the download from this trusted source. After the APK finishes downloading, head back to your Downloads folder. Double-click the NetMirror APK file. BlueStacks will automatically detect it and start the installation process inside the emulator. If you are asked which app should open the file, choose BlueStacks. Wait a moment while it installs. When it's done, you will see the NetMirror icon appear on the BlueStacks home screen. Just like an app on an Android phone. Click the NetMirror icon to open it, and you are ready to use the app on your PC. That's it. Thanks for watching.